morning students. How are you? I hope you all are well. So students, in today's class we will start a new chapter from our Compacta book, chapter number 13, and the name of the topic is conjunction. Student, first we will understand the definition of conjunction. आखिरकार conjunction होता क्या है, right? And after that we will learn the uses of conjunction, right? So first, a conjunction is a word. Conjunction एक ऐसा word होता है that join words, या तो वो शब्दों को जोड़ता है या फिर all parts of a sentence together. It means we can say in another way it's a linking word. यानी ये connect करने का काम करता है, link का काम करता है, just like a glue, right? So students, in your Compacta book, page number 248, some conjunctions are there. The most common conjunction are and, but, or. And, but, or. Fine students, first we will understand the use of and, where we will use the conjunction and. And we use to join word or phrases in a sentence that show similar ideas. Fine. Forward, similar ideas. Similar idea means, if I will say to you Ram and Sham, naming words, right? Apple and mango, this is also similar. Bread and butter, this is also similar, we can say. So, and we will use where you will find a sentence that the similar ideas. I have a cat and dog. I have a cat and dog. See here. I have a cat and dog. Fine. So here cat and dog both are similar. So when you want to show the similar ideas, then you will use and. Fine. Next we will see the use of where we will use but. Here we are using for similar ideas and we will use but for opposite ideas. If you find any opposite ideas in your sentence, that you will use but. We can say but means lekin. Fine. And means or. But we use but to join words, phrases and sentences that have different, we can say that different ideas, different or opposite. Fine. I will tell you here one example. I felt angry. I felt angry. I felt angry but kept quiet. Kept quiet. Here I felt angry. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया या मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा, but kept quiet. लेकिन फिर भी क्या हुआ, मैं चुप रहा. But means लेकिन. It means that here I felt quiet. I felt angry. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया या मैं बहुत गुस्सा हुआ, but kept quiet. लेकिन चुप रहा. See, the rope is thin. One more sentence. The rope is thin, but it is strong. See here, the rope is thin. जो rope means रस्सी जो है वो पतली है, but it is strong. लेकिन फिर भी ये मजबूत है. Thin, it means it's showing the opposite of strong. The rope is thin. जो रस्सी है, जो rope है वो पतली है, लेकिन फिर भी वह strong है. Right? So when we want to use opposite ideas or different ideas, we will use but. Fine. Now we will see use of or. is very easy, students. Or students, we will use or for choice. We want to choose any, we have option in front of us, then we have to choose, then we will use or. See, would you like tea or coffee? Here we have a choice, right? Would you like tea or coffee? आप चाय लेना पसंद करेंगे या कॉफी लेना पसंद करेंगे? It means we have a choice here, right? So when we see in a sentence that choices are there, so we will use or. So these are three, that the main conjunction, and, but, or. Now we see connectors that join similar ideas. Either or we are using for similar ideas. Some more connectors also. We will see here. Students, for similar ideas we will use not only but also. Fine, but also. He is, here we will see with an example. He is not only rich, वह केवल अमीर ही नहीं है, but also honest. He is not only rich but also. So where you will find not only in a sentence, in the next same sentence you will find but also is also there as a conjunction. So for similar idea we can use not only but also. Fine. Next one, both and for similar ideas we can use both or and in a one sentence. Like he is both rich. He is both rich. वो दोनों अमीर ही नहीं, क्या है वो? He is both rich and honest. और क्या है वो? Honestly. So both and we will also use for similar ideas. So as you know that we use but for showing contrast. Some more conjunction are here we use for contrast. Right? Yet, still, while, however, though and although. We will also use to show contrast. For example, here, he worked hard yet he failed. उसने बहुत कठिन मेहनत की, फिर भी वह फेल हो गया. Fine. Yet he worked hard yet he failed. Yet is here as a conjunction. फिर भी वह फेल हो गया. Next sentence, he is 80. वह कितने years का है? 80 का है. Still he is strong. यानी वह 80 years का है. Still he is strong. फिर भी वह strong है. Third, he is a beggar. वह एक भिखारी है. However, he owns 3 luxury cars. वह एक भिखारी है. इसके बावजूद भी उसके पास 3 luxury cars है. Student, one thing I want to tell you, however always come at the beginning of the sentence. यानी sentence के beginning में ही हम however का use करेंगे. Though he is poor, यद्यपि वह गरीब है, yet he is honest. फिर भी वह ईमानदार है. Next, although he ran fast, यद्यपि वह बहुत तेज दौड़ा, he could not win the race. So students, here we will use yet, still, while, however, though and although to show contrast. Contrast in conjunction. Fine? Students, for choice, as you know that we are using or, but we can also use either or. Either or neither nor. Either means either or as in positive choice and neither nor means as in negative choice. Here we will see with an example. Either he or his brother did it. या तो उसने किया या फिर उसके भाई ने किया. Either, here, either or. That we will use for positive. Fine. And second sentence, he was neither fined nor warned. Neither, ना ही तो उसे कुछ फाइन किया गया, ना ही उसे वार्न किया गया. neither and nor we will use for negative choice. Next we will see because, since and as to express reason or cause, यानी कोई हमें कारण शो करना हो या कोई cause बताना हो, that we will use because. Because means क्योंकि. Since and as. See here with the sentence, I can't play football. मैं फुटबॉल नहीं खेल सकता because I have hurt my ankle. क्योंकि क्या है, मेरे जो एंकल है उस पर क्या लगा हुआ, चोट लगी हुई है. So here because it always come in the middle of the sentence. Students, when we will use as a conjunction, that it always come in the middle of the sentence. Next, since I was unwell, I did not go to schools. Since, जब से, I was unwell, मैं बीमार हूँ, I didn't go to school, मैं स्कूल नहीं गया. Or we will use since in the beginning of a sentence. Fine students, when you are using, you want to show the reason, that since always come at the beginning of a sentence. Next, you see another, if, unless. To talks about a condition means should. यानी आप यहाँ पे सेंटेंस में देखेंगे, if you work hard, अगर आप मेहनत करोगे, you will pass, तो आप पास हो जाओगे. So if is showing condition, right? And unless you work hard, you cannot succeed. जब तक आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे, तब तक आप सफल नहीं हो पाओगे. Here, if and unless in a sentence to talk about a condition, एक condition के बारे में बताते हैं. Fine. Here, students, we will use so and therefore to show result. Means अगर हमें कोई result दिखाना है, then we will use so and therefore. Here in sentence, he works hard. उसने कठिन मेहनत की, so he will pass, इसलिए वह पास हो गया. उसने कठिन मेहनत की, मेहनत it means work hard किया और वो पास हो गया. इसका मतलब यहाँ पर हम रिजल्ट शो कर रहे हैं. फाइन. नेक्स्ट, राम चीटेड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. राम ने एग्जाम में चीट किया, therefore he must be fined. He must be punished. Sorry, he must be punished. Clear? राम चीटेड इन द, राम ने एग्जाम में चीटेड की, therefore इसलिए he must be punished, इसलिए उसको सजा दी. सजा होनी चाहिए, right? So here when we want to show the result, we will use so and therefore. Next, move on. Before and after, we want to show the time. When we want to show the time, we will use before, after. When we will use to show relation between two events. When we want to show relation between two events, we will use when. When I go out, see here. When I go out, जब मैं बाहर जाऊँगा. When I go out, I will post your letter. Means when I go out, जब मैं बाहर जाता हूँ, I will post your letter. मैं आपका letter post कर दूँगा. It means two events are here. Next, we will see while. Strike. We use while to join. We use while to join two actions. यानी कोई दो काम चल रहे हैं एक साथ. Two action on the same time. एक ही समय में दो काम हो गए. Here, see, strike the iron. Strike the iron while it is hot. यानी आपको कब स्ट्राइक करना है? मीन्स स्ट्राइक द आयरन while it is hot. कब आपको स्ट्राइक करना है? कब उसको स्ट्राइक करना है? जब वो गर्म हो. Fine. So when two actions are going on at the same time, we will use while. And when two events are going on, like when I go out, I will post your letters. Fine. Before and after, we will use when we want to look before you leave, right? And wash your hand after dinner, we can say, and wash your hand before the dinner. So both, when we want to show the time, we will use before and after according to the sentence. Let's practice that. What you will do, students, you will complete Select the suitable conjunction from the bracket to fill in the blanks. You have to choose the brackets from the help box and then you will complete the sentence. Students, you will complete page number till 251 to 253 in your Compacta book. This is your work. You have to complete it and send it in your group. I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you, student, and have a nice day.